this is what really hits me is I don't think the exposures that most of the mainstream products were created for are the exposures that they're currently insuring. And I've got a number of conversations around that in here. But if you look at like, what is a house? What's it made of? What are the weather factors that it's subject to? What are the public adjusters and plaintiffs' bars and all the other things that increase claim costs that are now swirling around it? What's the cost of lumber and labor and not like a house when the modern homeowners policy was largely developed. It's been tweaked a lot since then, but it sort of came into being in the 1950s and 60s and hasn't materially or like dramatically changed since then. It's iterated a ton. It's very different, but it's still at its core, presuming a house and the exposures around it are largely the same, and they're not. A car, they look about the same as they did in the 50s and 60s. The shape's a little different, but like, you know, they drive back and forth and can turn and whatnot. They are so unbelievably different today.
They're computers.
They're like computers and you know, radar towers, and they're so different from what they were. And that's today. Fast forward 10 or 15 years, which is not that far away. They're going to be really different.
Hi, this is Nick Lamparelli, and this is the future of insurance.